Children, continuity of the lesson On the Face of It by Susan Hill. It's a drama. Children, in my last class, I told you about the old man. While talking to Dairy, he uses two words, beauty and the beast. But Dairy does not understand why he has used those two words. Dairy wants to know, so Dairy asks him a question. What is that supposed to mean? He wants to know the meaning. Mr. Lamb, you tell me. Mr. Lamb wants Dairy, to tell him the meaning. Dairy, you needn't think they haven't all told me that fairy story before. Fairy means a small imaginary being with magical powers. A small imaginary being with magical powers. Dairy tells him that there is no need for him to think that he has not been told that story before. He wants to emphasize that he knows that story. It is not what you look like, it is what you are inside. The message of that story is that what you look like is not important. What is important is what you are inside. What you are inside is more important than what you look like. There is a saying in English, handsome is as handsome does. That is the meaning of that. That is the meaning of it is not what you look like, it is what you are inside. External beauty is not important. External beauty is not so important as the internal beauty. Dairy clarifies the meaning with the help of a maxim. Beauty loved the monstrous beast for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. There was a girl named Beauty. She loved a very large, ugly, frightening, evil, and wrong beast. Beast means animal. There was a very large animal. That animal was ugly and frightening also. The girl named Beauty loved that very big animal, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. Then Beauty kissed that monstrous beast, and his form was changed. He immediately became a handsome prince after being kissed. Dairy wants to say that he knows the story. Only he would have stayed a monstrous beast. If that very large, ugly, and frightening beast animal had not changed, he would have stayed a monstrous beast. He would always have remained a monstrous beast animal. I won't change. Again, Dairy wants to show here his negativity. Dairy is convinced that he will not change. Mr. Lamb, in that way, no, you won't. Mr. Lamb wants to know, Dairy wants to change in that way. Then it is not possible for him to change. He clearly tells him that it is not possible for him to change if he wants to change in that way. Dairy, and no one will kiss me ever. Now, the negative aspect of life, whose life? There is life, is coming out of his heart, and no one will kiss me ever. He is convinced that no one will kiss him. Only my mother. He will be kissed, but by whom? Only by his mother. Why? Because she is his mother, and she kisses me on the other side of my face. See how deeply this negativity has entered his heart, and she kisses me on the other side of my face. Though she is his mother, but even she does not kiss him on the burnt side of his face. She kisses him on the other side of his face. And I don't like my mother to kiss me. He does not want his mother to kiss him. She does it because she has to. Why does she kiss him? because she has to kiss him. He is her son. But I have told you, she kisses him on the other side of his face, not on the burnt side of his face. Why should I like that? He's, he does not want his mother to kiss him. I don't care if anybody ever kisses me. He wants to get love, but he thinks nobody is ready to love him. Even his mother kisses him on the other side of the face, his face, not on the burnt side of his face. He does not care whether anybody kisses him or not. All these lines suggest his deep negativity. Mr. Lamb, but do you care if you never kiss them? Mr. Lamb says, but do you care if you never kiss them? Okay, if they don't kiss you, do you ever kiss them? Mr. Lamb wants to know if Daddy ever cares if he never kissed them, if he never kisses them, if Daddy cares whether he kisses them or not. Daddy what? Daddy does not understand this point. He asks what? Mr. Lamb, girls, pretty girls, long hair and large eyes. There are girls, beautiful girls. They have long hair, they have big eyes. There are many people you love. You may kiss those people whom you love. Daddy, who would let me? Not one. Daddy answers that no one will allow him to kiss him or her, not even a single person. Mr. Lamb, who can tell? Mr. Lamb says that it is difficult to predict. How can you say that no one will allow you to kiss him or her? Daddy, I won't ever look different. Once again, he starts mentioning his face. He thinks that he will not ever look different. When I'm as old as you, I will look the same. When Daddy thinks when he becomes as old as Mr. Lamb, he will still look the same. His face will not change. The burnt face will not disappear. The burnt face will not become good enough to be seen. I will only have half a face. Half of his face, according to Daddy, will be right, and half of the face will always be burnt. That is why he says he will have half a face. Thank you, children.